everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, how to screen record on computer. So friends, let's start the video. At first you have to come down on keyboard. You just need to press on the Fn, then you have to click on this button. After that, here your screen will show up with the screen record icon. Next you have to click on your mouse. Let's click on the mouse. You can adjust the by just tapping on this icon on the record. Here on the side you can bring the screen till where you want to record, and here tap on the start icon and your screen will record successfully. So you can also record with voice, and you can also delete, you can also pause, you can do whatever you want. So this is how you can screen record on computer. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. So here our screen record has been recorded. So bye bye.